Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of your keyboard on this device. Firstly, access settings and scroll down right away. Now tap on additional settings, go into languages and input, manage keyboards and settings. Over here tap on theme and click on show more over here to see all available ones. When you're done, you can click on one of those pictures. Tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to enable or disable them, and finally click apply to set up your keyboard. You can also do the same with one of those colors. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!